Those who ask how and whence I can so many songs create, they would say truly then that none to singing bends, who better should abstain from it. But I sing only for this end, that I die more sweetly from it. It grieves me sorely that she is so debonair, who gives me such grief and more. This should please all the world there, yet it would not grieve me at all if the very fair one with body tall made me draw these ills and care. But this slays me truly withal, that she knows not what I feel for her. If she knew certainly my martyrdom and my woe, she for whom I consent, and know that love holds and masters me, so I well believe that he's meant. She would send me soon and present, for by right she ought to do it, if the glance with its own intent of her fair eyes does not lie to me. If the glance with its own intent of her fair eyes does not lie to me. If the glance with its own intent of her fair eyes does not lie to me. Go speedily to the fair one with bright face, and say to her only this, that what is good gives off sweet grace. I dare not pray otherwise, for I thought too high in my mind, yet I cannot draw back my heart. And if pity does not take her part,